Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss Euro US dollar just like yesterday I discussed it. The intraday plan I have discussed, and these days the markets are moving very nicely. The depression that I talked about, that there is a sort of depression found in the charts of Euro US dollar on this weekend. I clearly have told you that, so definitely if you have seen those videos you will be aware of the market conditions. So let's see what we can do today, what we can analyze, and what the market is going to give us for today. I will be looking into that as well, plus I will be giving you a little bit of recap of the previous learnings and techniques that I have used to analyze the market, and then that gave us very nice profits from their 121 pips and 131 pips and another 90 pips. All of these I have discussed in the previous videos, plus this impulsive wave, this was also expected, so I already have discussed this in the previous videos as well. So what's next for today? Again, I have to discuss this breakout, because just like yesterday I have told you that on the basis of this breakout all of the previous analysis will be dependent. So price at the moment 1.10747 is definitely at physically I see it's going back up there, but definitely we have a fundamental activity today on the dollar. So let's have a look at this breakout first. The breakout occurred very nicely, and this breakout is so much important for me. Why? Because I have received some comments from all of you that why this breakout is so much important for me. So let me tell you that from this breakout I have got a very nice impulsive wave right here, and if I see the RSI conditions, it did not met. But if we see right here, RSI was oversold even before it gave us this breakout, and usually this is the forex technique. It's going to do this way. So on the basis of this impulsive wave, what I did then is I gave you a trade opportunity, and which has an entry right here near 61.8% retracement, and we traded it 104 pips. It went up. Then obviously from there, when the market came down, I was neutral for a little bit of time. So right here I was neutral, and what I did after that is, when I saw that the market is coming back to the range, and back then this head and shoulder pattern was already identified with us. Let me add the pen tool right here very quickly, because I forgot to do it, and I have to draw a little bit of things right here. So let me first check if it is working or not. Pardon me for 1 second, interruption in the forecast. All right, so I'm ready to go. Let's see. Okay, that's fine, it's working. So then what happened is, after this head and shoulder pattern, when it occurred right here, I may not be able to delete these levels, because unless these levels are justified, I will be closely monitoring these levels. So when we get this head and shoulder pattern, you may remember on the weekends I gave you this sell trade, worked for 130 pips right here. And after that, once this happened, I exactly pointed out this other head and shoulder pattern right here, and it also gave around 80 pips of profit. Plus these bulls made profit, these bulls made a little bit of profit, and these bulls are, I think we have got a triple bottom. So stay with me, I'm going to discuss that next as well. But before that, obviously since the market is coming back down, it is still in a downward corrective wave. I should write corrective wave right here, and whenever the market is on a corrective wave, anything can happen. We have a fundamental activity day to day as well, unemployment claims most probably, and some interest rate or something is going on up there. I haven't seen forex factory today. So technical is strongly suggesting me still that we have got a triple bottom right here. And let me see one more thing. If on the daily we see that there was one level 1.07 right here. Let me extend it a little bit towards this side, right here somewhere near 1.07. Let me write it down, because yesterday I clearly have told you that I'm going to add more buy position 1.0777 somewhere level. Why that one is important to me, that was a 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave, because no doubt I'm looking US dollar bullish, and that would be the situation. So let's see. Still the market is not very hopeful for this downward move, and I'm not interested in that further buy. Even if it work this same one trade for me, still that will be more than enough. Because on the pound US dollar, I will be discussing the setup with you as well. That moved very fantastically well. So now let's delete these lines again and switch to the H4. There is a very nice resistance. And in the last video, what other thing I have told you is that when you take a buy from the support right here, if you are an intraday trader, I'm so sure from here, from yesterday, from right here, you may have either made around 38 pips, or most probably I can assume that you may have left the trade with break even stop. Those who are holding it, definitely this video will be very useful for them as well. And if you see, it is going clearly, at least from right here, it is clearly for the intraday a 31 pips guaranteed, 100% of profit is right here. Keep that in mind. Then definitely after this, if it breaks 1.09259 today, since it is Thursday, and you may have seen that on Thursdays and on Fridays we got a lot of volume. So I am so sure if the data is very nicely for the dollar, and if the volume comes in and they took part on in this rally, definitely sometimes when the news come in, there are some market makers who drops the market. So that will be a very golden opportunity with everyone to re-enter into the buy trades once again. But for now, this is the situation. This is market can be stopped right here. If that's the situation, stay with me. I will be having a look at it on the H1 to find out some precise levels that we can trade. Overall, I am still holding this position till 1.09848. My stop is near this zone. I was earlier trying to set it right here below 1.07, but it's okay. If it drops till 1.07, I can save around 30 pips of SL, and I will re-enter into a buy. Now this is a very nice trading opportunity. All it is waiting on, like it is holding, this area is holding the price very nicely. We have several breakouts right here, the retest and the confirmations as well. So if more of these things happens and occurs, we call those levels very strong and fantastic levels. To me, euro US dollar buy trade setups will always be giving you some nice trading opportunity. In such situations, always means just this week, and maybe most probably tomorrow and the next week as well. So this is a very nice market, but we have, like, market has created so many structures right here. Even for the intraday traders, if you want to trade it the right way, you will be able to make some nice and decent profits from today volume. But try to look for some bullish opportunities, and the bearish waves, if it gives you, let's say if it start to drop back down, I am not going to do it, and my strategy doesn't suggest anything in that situation. But one thing it definitely suggests is to stay neutral, wait for it. Even if it closes below 1.077, has gone nowhere. So at the moment, this is the situation. One more thing I want to tell you, and that is very much important. Yesterday there was a pattern with us. I want to highlight it a little bit. This was the intraday pattern, and according to the rules, it is still valid, because the TP was, like, the entry was right here and the SL was right here, right? So I'm like, just like I'm holding this position, and this setup, even if we target, if you have if you are not looking for a very long term setup, then 1.09351, you can leave the market with just 41 pips of profits if you are holding since yesterday. Otherwise, I will recommend to move your stop to break even when the price is trading near 1.09366. Overall, a very nice and fantastic market opportunity. And even the scalpers can make some very nice and decent trading opportunity trading decisions right here, and I'm sure if you follow it the correct way, that will be very nice. One thing that is at the moment so much important for me, and I will be highlighting it to you, that this level, so that you can also learn that this level, if you see, I want to study it a little bit, and even the candle sometimes tells us some story. See, right here we have very less volume. We have very less volume. No big candles. Yesterday we saw some sort of aggression right here. Right, market was aggressive, very much aggressive right here. So market seems like it took a dip, found another sort of you can say bottom right here, which was expected. And even in the weekly forecast, the video that I uploaded on Sunday, I discussed this thing. So overall it is moving very nicely to the top side, and right here near 1.09331 right here can be 41 pips of intraday take profit from tomorrow if you are holding it. I recommend if we get a break above and there around 80 pips, if it gives you still, that will be perfect, or you can just hold it to me like just like I'm holding it. So let's see, market is still bullish, but the corrective wave has not yet ended. Keep that one thing in mind, and I want to write it down because the corrective wave will end. If you want to be like extra careful, then I will recommend to wait for the break of this trend that we are holding all the way from there, a little bit of false breakout maybe from there as well. So, and if this is the situation, we start to get a rejection from the market on the H4, we are going to trade it towards 1.10085. One more thing, and that I want to show you on the M15, because sometimes the lower time frames gives us very nice levels as well. So for the intraday traders, yes, definitely if the market drops towards, let me give you an intraday buy for today. If it drops towards 1.08, and I'm not saying it will happen, but if it happen, it can give you this much of trade opportunity, and this is definitely going to be for the intraday. So around let's count the number of stop loss, 65 pips of stop loss, and around 31 pips of stop loss. A very nice one. Remember, try to trade these trades on your demo accounts definitely, because I don't recommend regular live account trading. And definitely let's see tomorrow. I was really busy today. I couldn't focus on more of the things, but I have to discuss the pound US dollar as well. Make sure to watch that video as well. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.